how to make the boomerang effect inside DaVinci Resolve. I'm inside DaVinci in the Edit tab, and this is the media that we're gonna work for our example. Step number 1, right clicking on it and select Retime Controls. Then go almost to the end of that video, around in this part, add speed point by clicking on here, and then select the drop down menu on the second section and change the clip speed to 400. Now right click again on the video and select Retime Controls so you can close it. Then right click again and select Retime Curve. Then select the only keyframe that you're having right here, and then select this icon so you can smooth out and ease out this keyframe. And once you're done with it, you can select this icon right here so you can close the option. And now you have to highlight this file, hold Alt and drag it to the right so you can make a duplicate of that clip. Highlight this second media that you have just created, right click on it and select Change Clip Speed, and then select Reverse Speed. Then click on Replace if that pop-up message appears, and there we have it. As I play through, you can see that we're having that nice boomerang effect inside DaVinci Resolve. I hope it was helpful. You can also watch this video right here. I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.